Good day po at welcome muli sa ating channel. For today's video, gagawa naman tayo ng Yema Buko Pie. Narito po yung ating mga gagamitin. Bukod sa 500 grams ng all-purpose flour, kakailangan rin natin ng extra flour para pang dust mamaya habang nagmomolde tayo. Para sa paggawa ng ating crust, ilagay yung 500 grams ng all-purpose flour dun sa ating bowl. Maglagay ng 1/2 cup ng milk powder o skim milk powder, and then 2 tablespoon ng asukal at 1 teaspoon ng asin. Haluin lamang yung ating mga dry ingredients hanggang sa kumalat yung mga ating pampalasa. Para sa flour, pwede rin kayo mag-substitute ng cake flour o kaya ng third glass flour. Para sa ating fats, gagamit ako ng 150 grams ng shortening. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng butter pero gawin yung nasa 200 grams kapag butter ang gagamitin nyo. Ihalo ko lang yung shortening dito sa ating harina. Hindi kailangan durog na durog yung shortening. Pwede kayo magtira ng maliliit na pieces para naman mas maging mayabo yung ating crust. Pagkatapos ito, maglalagay lang ako ng 180 ml ng room temp na tubig. Mas mainam po kapag baguhan ka palang gumagawa nitong crust kung unti-unti nyong ilalagay yung inyong liquid. Pero ang pinaka-maximum lamang po na pwede nyong ilagay na liquid ay itong 180 ml. Kapag sumobra pa po yung liquid nyo doon, mag-iiba na po yung ating texture ng ating crust. Para po sa akin, ito ang pinakamadaling gawin na tinapay kasi hindi po nyo kailangan magmasa, hindi rin kayo mangangamba na bumagsak o hindi umalsa yung inyong dough. Ang kailangan nating gawin lang dito ay pagsamasamahin ito hanggang sa ma-form na natin siya ng dough. Pagkatapos, ire-rest ko siya ng nasa 30 minutes o higit pa para mamaya kapag finalatin natin siya, hindi na siya umuurong o bumabalik. Habang nire-rest natin yung ating crust, magtitimpla na tayo ng ating buko pie filling. Ito po ay nasa 1/2 kilo ng laman ng buko. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo matataba yung pinili kong laman o kung makakapal, mas maganda kasi itong gawin na pang buko pie. Ito po ay nasa 3 pirasong buko. Ang gagawin ko lamang po ay hahatiin ko siya ng maliliit na square para magkasya dun sa ating tart. Pwede nyo pong lakihan pa yung ating buko pieces kung gagamitin nyo siya dun sa pie pan. Dito po sa amin, nabili ko ito for 65 pesos kasi for 130 pesos ang per kilo ng buko meat dito sa amin.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going now, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Gagamit ako ng 5 ounce sa tart mold. Papahiran ko lamang to ng shortening. Pwede ka rin kayong magpahid ng oil para hindi dumikit dito yung buko pie na gagawin natin. Maaari nyo rin gawin itong recipe ito sa 2 pirasong 8-inch na pie pan. Ngayon na i-prepare na natin lahat ng ating components, magsisimula na tayong magmolde dito sa ating mga tart. Kumuha lamang ng malaking piraso o mga nasa 70 grams ng ating crust. Kailangan din natin ng extra flour pang dust. Tapos ipa-flatten lamang natin ito ng nasa 1/4 inch ang kapal, tsaka natin ilalagay dito sa ating tart. Tatanggalin natin yung sobrang masa dito sa gilid.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have